Hi, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up the unloading of leads from a Facebook advertising account in Google Sheets. This is necessary in order to transfer leads from Facebook to other systems. For example, you can add a new line to Google Sheets with each new lead. It is convenient to store, process and interact with leads in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to setting up. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you can select one of the systems to which you want to transfer data. These can be services for email mailings, CRM systems, services for SMS mailings, as well as task managers and Telegram. In this case, we need to select the Google Sheets template. At this stage, you need to connect your Facebook account to the SaveMyLeads system. First, you need to specify the username and password of your Facebook account. Then click Edit Settings. At this stage, you see all the advertising pages to which you have access. I recommend that you check all the fields at once in order to be able to work with them in the future. Now you need to leave all access checkboxes enabled. When the connected account is displayed in the list, it must be selected. After that, we select the advertising page on which we want to send leads. Then you need to specify the forms by which the data will be downloaded. If you have several forms specified, you will need to create several connections for each of them. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the SaveMyLeads system. Next, you need to grant permission to the SaveMyLeads system to work with your Google Sheets account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Then you need to specify the file and sheet to which new leads will be uploaded. Now you see Google Sheets columns in which you can assign variables by leads from Facebook. In order to add a variable, you need to click in the column and select it from the drop-down list. You can also use the already intended variables in different columns. If everything suits you, go down the page and click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of filling the columns with Facebook lead data. If everything suits you, click Send Test Data to Google Sheets and check the result. Based on data from Facebook, a new row was created in Google Sheets. Also, you can send email to Facebook users who are interested in your ad, for example, through the Gmail service. They will receive a letter to warm up before the first contact. You can also add contacts to specialized email marketing services, such as MailChimp, so that a whole series of emails is sent to users. You can send not only letters, but also SMS, for example, through the Click Send service. So the user will know that you remember about him and contact him soon. If you use a CRM system, for example, Salesforce, then you can create new leads or contacts in it. It is convenient to store, process and interact with them in the future. If you are satisfied with the data added to the line, return to SaveMyLeads and complete the setup. In order for new leads from Facebook to be transmitted instantly, you need to enable auto-update. For this, click Finish Setup. If necessary, you can change the name of the connection. This is done in the settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.